The night remembers every word, even the ones we never heard. Your silhouette still fades through blue, like a dream I once held onto. Empty cups on the windowsill, frozen moments standing still. I searched for us in every light, but only found myself tonight. Maybe losing you was fate. Maybe love just came too late. Stop reading no goodbyes, stop believing all your lies. Now my heart beats soft and slow, finally learning how to grow. Every scar became a song, teaching me where I belong. The girl who cried 1,000 tears found her courage through the years. Now the mirror smiles at me, like I'm who I'm meant to be. After the rain calls my name, nothing ever feels the same. Every drop washed off the pain, now I'm dancing in the rain. You were once my brightest star, now I love me as I am. I don't need another goodbye, I've already learned to fly. Headphones on, I'm feeling free, writing every part of me. No more chains around my soul, I'm finally taking back control. Late night lights and open roads, heavy heart but lighter soul. Every loss became my gain, sunshine always follows rain. Now I wear my dreams with pride, no more tears for yesterday. Every drop washed off the pain, now I'm dancing in the rain. You were once my brightest star, now I love me as I am. I don't need another goodbye, I've already learned to fly. Every sunrise feels so new, painted skies and shades of blue. Every heartbeat keeps the time for this second chance of mine. If you ever hear this song, know I finally moved along. Not because I stopped to care, but because I found me there.